every single element is important, and every single element is really beautiful and special in its own right. And I think what's really interesting is how Rodrigo had this idea that he wanted this non-linear book, and so whoever would own this would be able to rummage through, they'd be able to have a similar experience to the one that Rodrigo had when he was doing his residency, and also they're able to display it in whichever way they want. So with Alex, I just left her to it. I said, here are all the elements, you know, display them how you like, and she's done an absolutely beautiful job. But through laying them out this way, you can see, you know, we've got digital prints of photographs that Rodrigo took while he was out in the woods. We've got digital prints of pictures of microscopic images of the mycelium as it was growing in the lab. And then we've also got elements that are hand cut. We've got the photopolymer gravure elements where we laid mycelium on top of a photopolymer plate and exposed it directly to UV light, and then inked that up with white ink so that it looks just like mycelium growing on the paper. And the same with the intaglio elements. So I gave Rodrigo a hard ground copper plate and then just got him to draw. And the hard ground allows you to get these really fine, detailed, intricate images. And so you can see that in the intaglio elements. He's hand drawn these, but they do look like mycelium growing from the paper. So they're really beautiful as well. And then of course we've got the fungal poems, where Rodrigo impregnated a substrate with mycelium particles and then let those grow into the soil, and they're really beautiful elements as well.